Yeah, Eric, that's right. Just imagining that happening here over the weekend behind me. That person we spoke to says they're just showcasing Houston's car community. They perform for the people out here, then they upload edited videos for people to see on social media all over the world. But police say this is downright dangerous and it's illegal.
Crazy stunts, fireworks, and a lot of illegal activity.
I am admitting that it's dangerous.
One of the young men who says he has done this before was there this past Sunday, as the intersection of Westheimer and Sage Road was blocked off at 1:30 in the morning.
Give or take about a good 15-20 minutes.
This young man, known as El Jefe on the streets, agreed to talk to me about this so-called car meet, as long as he could be anonymous.
We could be out doing other stuff like committing robberies or shootings or stuff like that, but no, we're just a group of people that's trying to have fun, show off, and show out to the people around the world on how we do things in Houston.
It's all for the thrill of it, he says, and some even edit videos together to show them off on Instagram.
It gets really hectic.
But their crazy, illegal, and dangerous Sunday morning stunt now has the attention of HPD and the Angleton Police Department. On Facebook, Angleton posted that they heard about a possible event planned in the area and have already identified the groups involved, asking anyone with information on the illegal activity to call police. HPD also asking the public to call in tips anonymously in regards to this Sunday's dangerous activity. Though this young man says they're not worried about police coming after them.
It was a fun takeover, to be able to take over one of the busiest and biggest intersections in Houston.